Good day, I'm Tamar McHale and this is your JIS news for Monday, March 9. Government has secured an $8.6 billion development policy loan from the World Bank through its International Bank for Reconstruction and Development (IBRD). The first competitiveness and fiscal management policy loan project is designed to enhance Jamaica's competitiveness and improve fiscal management in the public sector.
It is focused on a number of critical objectives, including the facilitation of economic growth and the promotion of economic growth, the increase in job creation, poverty reduction, and improvement of living standards generally for the country.
The Finance and Planning Minister says the loan will also support the administration's renewable energy program. It is part of a larger program of financial assistance with the World Bank, valued at approximately $58.9 billion.
We believe that the government of Jamaica's commitment to these reforms indicates that it is a real opportunity for the country to continue to lay down the foundations for sustainable growth in the medium term.
Ease of doing business in Jamaica is to be further improved as the government prepares to implement more business reform measures. Commerce Minister Anthony Hilton says a slew of changes are to come at several government bodies, such as the Companies Office of Jamaica, the Customs Department, and the Local Government Ministry.
In addition, the Minister of Science, the Minister of Science, Technology, Energy and Mining will soon be announcing changes being made by the Electricity Act and on the new ways of working at the Government Electrical Inspectorate. The business process changes being undertaken will revolutionize getting electricity in Jamaica.
Minister Hilton was speaking at the National Competitiveness Council's 5th Annual Business Environment Reform Roundtable held recently in New Kingston. Government continues to make home ownership a reality for citizens, most recently for 50 persons who now have their letters of possession for serviced lots at Crichton Hall in St. Thomas. The scheme is a development of the National Housing Trust and consists of 140 serviced lots. Over $268 million was spent to install infrastructure such as paved roads, stormwater drains, electrical distribution system, street names, and traffic signs. The Crichton Hall development also has a potable water system supported by two 50,000-gallon water tanks. In her keynote presentation at the handing over, Prime Minister Portia Simpson Miller affirmed that access to land was not a privilege but a fundamental right when done in a lawful manner.
The ownership of a home or land is vital to well-being and wealth creation and for propelling individuals and families forward socially and economically.
The NHT has subsidized the cost of 20 serviced lots at Crichton Hall for applicants whose weekly incomes did not exceed $10,000. It has also given them access to subsidy of up to $2 million to construct a unit within 2 years of purchase. Meanwhile, national development of sugar-dependent communities continues in Westmoreland, with over 100 residents recently getting certificates of possession for properties they occupy. The distribution to residents of Hartford, Morris Lane in the parish is part of government's community regularization program, which seeks to regularize informal settlements. It's being carried out by the Sugar Company of Jamaica, SCJ Holdings.
This government is investing in people, in our human capital, mindful that the sense of permanence and ownership can only truly serve to empower our citizens and boost their sense of inclusion in nation building. This will in turn enhance their contribution to the growth of our economy and contribute also to the social cohesion in our communities.
And finally, residents of Green Pond in St. James are benefiting from a fully equipped internet cafe and information and communications technology center. The facility, which is located at the Farm Primary and Junior High School, was established by government at a cost of $4.7 million. It is equipped with desktop computers, wireless internet connectivity, a projector, 2 printers, a retractable screen and server, as well as desks and chairs. Speaking at the recent opening ceremony, Science and Technology Minister Philip Paulwell said the project was in keeping with the government's efforts to provide more Jamaicans with access to information technology for development.
Because it is through this that we are going to create better human beings, better students emerging, because now they will have access to the world of information. And it means that the opportunities are going to be there for our people.
And that's it for JIS News today. I'm Tamara McHale. Thank you for watching.